Hi there. This is a great way to be able to give your students an opportunity to incorporate technology with their writing. This is something called Histry, and it's just spelled just like you see up here, HSTRY. And in order to get to it, it's just the beginning part, the hstry.co and then /. That's the normal URL that I go to when I'm logging into it. And when you access this web page, it's best to sign up as a teacher. Go ahead and sign up so you can put your classroom underneath you, and then that way you can watch and see what your kids are creating on their timelines. Now, even though this is used as a history timeline, and the kind of the idea behind this website is that you have a timeline of dates and you go on down, and it's a great way to organize those ideas. This is something a little different because the cool thing about it is you can have students write on this their term papers. Maybe they have a persuasive essay, a comparing and contrasting essay. They can organize those thoughts out here and write, and then share them with you, not only you, but also share them with the students in the class. And the way that they get that link for that is through this. You are part of the classroom, and so it's not something just out there for everybody to view on the internet. This is an example of a timeline that has already been done. You can put like a back page to it. The kids can really make it their own picture here, and then maybe the title of their paper, and then they can maybe write about their paper. These can be as long as you want them to be. They can go on and on and on, or they can be as short as you want them to be. You can add pictures. You can add, maybe students want to have a question that they want to add in a quiz. These are all optional things that you would like to include. You can include videos. More or less, this is showing some great ideas of pictures and things that you can check on with this timeline, but kids can make this their own and really write about their papers on this, and then you can view them. So let me show you an example of when I go to iTeach. You can create your own classes in here and go to the tutorial and find out how to create your class. But if I'm going to create my own timeline, this gives you an example of what you would do, and just follow the prompts of what it's asking you to do. You can upload a picture from your computer or go to a URL of a picture out on the web page out on the web that you want to add, and you can add it directly from there. So let's see here. I'm going to just go ahead and choose any picture that I can go ahead and upload. And in this picture, let's see, I had one that I was going to put. All right, this is maybe some music that I've got uploaded as a picture to the background of my timeline. And maybe I'm going to title it, um, uh, I don't know, The Theory of Music. And maybe they're doing an informative essay. And you can add a cover. So maybe I want to add my own picture here that I want to upload. And so from here, that can be included on it. And then you can change and create the heading. If you want a different kind of heading, you can put in here um, common themes or whatever you want to do. And then you can start to write insert your text in here. Maybe you start to write your blog or the essay itself. You can arrange it to different places on your computer, put it or on the screen here. Here's a YouTube link that I could upload that went along with maybe the kids did something that goes along with it they want to add, of some sort of a review of history on YouTube, a link that they found that they thought was cool, or maybe a violin song that they thought was awesome to add to their text. You're incorporating multiple learning styles by doing that as well. Here's an image maybe they want to upload. You can add in an audio file, a did you know question area that they can add, or you can change it and make a quiz area. You can change it to any way you want and add a conclusion at the bottom. So this is something kind of fun that the kids can then be able to view their timeline, and then when they're finished, they can share that link with you, and you have the access because it's your classroom to go in and check it out. So good luck with this. I hope this gives you an idea of something that you could do with a language arts class, and play around with it a little bit, explore. I would encourage you to create your own timeline first to explain to students and maybe do a quick tutorial with them of all the features of it, of what you're expecting maybe, and then let them take off and they'll learn it. So thanks a lot. Good luck. Bye-bye.